Breaking news, the US just hit Indian goods with heavy tariffs. But within hours, the Indian government dropped a 5 lakh rupees crore bombshell, an export rescue plan that could change everything. What's inside this package, and how does it impact your investments? Let's decode it in 3 minutes. Because the answer isn't what most people think. The US tariffs have hit India's textile, pharma, and auto parts sectors hard. Orders worth billions were suddenly at risk. For lakhs of MSMEs, this isn't just about profit, it's survival. That's why the government had to act fast. But where will 5 lakh rupees crore come from, and who actually gets it? This package isn't a cash handout, it's smartly structured. A mix of export credit support, rebate extensions, and tax benefits for manufacturing hubs. Textile clusters, chemical exports, and engineering goods will be top gainers. But there's a twist, not all sectors get equal help. So which stocks could ride this wave next? Analysts say export-oriented companies like Tata Motors, Bajaj Auto, and Lupin may gain from renewed incentives. The Nifty 50 might see short-term volatility, but long-term, this could boost India's global competitiveness. And for investors, it's a signal, government is backing exports big time. But is this a quick fix or a long-term masterstroke? India just fired its biggest export shot in years. Will it be enough to fight the US tariffs and protect millions of jobs? We'll know soon, but one thing's clear, the world's watching India rise again. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves finance as much as you do. See you tomorrow with another big market story.